Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here in Belfast. We are entering week 24 of renovations here at the Belfast Community Co-op. So a lot of big changes this week, and I'll walk you through what's been going on. All right, so the biggest thing this week is that our main entrance is shut down. So we have set up this secondary entrance, which will actually take you through our new cafe. So enter through here. Yeah, this is all will be our cafe, and this is how you enter the store. So the reason that we've closed off our main entrance is so we can work on this side of the store, putting in curbing on the front. So this curbing runs all the way through. Hello. Runs all the way through over to our patio, and this coming week this will all be filled with cement, and we'll have beautiful, spacious new sidewalk. This is some very exciting progress this week. These are the first runs of brick going in our Shop for Me curbside area. So just beautiful bricks. Shout out to Morin Bricks in Auburn, Maine for making these lovely bricks and helping us make our store beautiful. This coming week there will be cement poured in the front and more work happening inside. We may have to switch entrances again, but that might not happen until the following week. So big exciting things. Please come down and check it out and continue to shop at your co-op. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.